my vlog, and I'm looking for the open shelf, and let's look around the house for her. This might be in here. Nope, no open shelf in there. Nope, nothing in there. Nothing in there. Maybe this might be even something in the freezer. Maybe. Well, maybe a refrigerator. And it's stuck on the side. Oh, there she is! Hi, little buddy. You have a cute smile. Her name is called Starla. And she looks pretty. Starla. Starla. Well, that was fun. Looks like she made her little cozy spot there. Looks like she needs some hot cocoa for the freezing. Well, I'm just going to shut it carefully. Hello, Mom. Yep. And this is my mom.
Hi.
Yeah.
Elf on the Shelf scared me today when I'm looking for chocolate milk. Hello.
Here's Mimi. Hey, baby. We'll go home.
Thank you, sweetie.
We found out some shelves. Guess
Where?
what?
They didn't find her this morning.
No kidding.
Selena wanted me to take her to school so she had more time to look for her. Did you know
Really?
she takes the bus?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Right
The
there.
poor thing. She
It must
put it in
be
the
freezing.
refrigerator?
Yeah, thank goodness she got one of these.
Oh my gosh, that's so
It
funny.
is.
That is hilarious. Corbin, are you sick?
He has fever 102.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
He's not in
Yeah.
my bed, is he?
Huh?
He's not in my bed sleeping, is
No,
he?
he's on the couch.
Here's my favorite show over here. SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's watch it together. Mimi.
She's coming, Corbin. Calm down.
Let me just back up a little.
Aw, she feel bad. Doggone, you got the little heater on you. And you watching your favorite show. Mimi's not favorite show.
Sorry, Clara.
It's everyone's sick today. Everyone's sick in this house.
Yeah. Where's Mason?
Let's see.
You know it's snowing. Okay.
Yeah. After PE today, it started snowing when I went in my classroom. Yeah.
I didn't know that. I didn't know it was
Yeah,
snowing here.
people in my classroom.
It's not chicken or anything, is it?
People in my classroom were like looking at the window, but the people who looked at the window got in trouble because we're not supposed to look out the window because it's
Oh, yeah.
Because it's what time?
math time.
So, if you need to go to the store and get medicine or anything, I would do it now.
You just got some.
I know, but I didn't see your message. What's wrong with them?
Well,
Is
he
this
was
the
fine when I
bottom?
picked
Bye,
him up.
everybody. See you on my vlog. Bye.
I have one more dose of pain reliever left.